Imagine a day in your local park and getting a whole new perspective. From the palm of your hand, picture soaring to incredible heights above the waves and float out of a hot air balloon, sharing breathtaking memories.
This is Microdrone. When we began on Microdrone, our aim was to create a small-size, personal drone that was affordable, durable, easy to fly, that works straight out of the box. A drone for everyone.
Whether you fly Microdrone in extreme conditions, like on a windy beach, or in delicate ones, like inside your home, with its precision control, flexibility, and durability, you can fly it anywhere, no matter your age or flying experience. There's no other drone like it.
We're doing really innovative stuff. We don't cut corners. We're in it for the long run. We launched the first edition Microdrone in 2011, and the feedback was incredible. We redesigned the second edition around a modular architecture to support a unique range of plug-and-play modules. It received rave reviews in the technical journals, online blogs, and even TV shows.
These little drones that are like
I think they're awesome, man. Have you seen the Microdrone 2.0?
Yeah.
That's probably my favorite one.
It's incredibly nimble, perfect if you're filming extreme sports. It is very rugged, and if anything did break, its modular design means it's easy to replace any parts.
Now, after 2 years, we're ready to make Microdrone 3.0.
Microdrone 3.0 is designed with drone enthusiasts and excellent engineers from around the world. Components are easily expandable, upgradable, and replaceable. It's also the smallest drone to currently carry a mechanical gimbal. The HD camera streams live footage to your smartphone. The batteries slide in and out for quick hot swapping. And the plug-and-play smart modules simply snap on with magnets. Since everything either snaps or slides in, the structure is sleek, aerodynamic, and beautiful.
So now it's possible using 3D printer technology like the Ultimaker 2, you can print out your own custom frame similar to the Dragon or the Wasp.
I was super excited when the Microdrone team reached out and wanted to make a first-person view drone technology using the DodoCase VR viewers. Very few people could use first-person view drone technology even a year ago. I mean, the fact that the Microdrone team is making this technology available is really a revolutionary idea.
We want to make the quintessential drone. The drone market is evolving, and together we can drive the technology forward. We need your support. So no matter who you are, we're making sure that whoever opens the box finds a simple, reliable, affordable, durable, and fun drone. Thank you. And we look forward to making with you the next, the one and only Microdrone.
We love our smartphone, and we do a lot to take care of it. But there's always one thing we haven't been able to protect: battery life. Introducing SharbySense, the world's smartest auto cutoff cable. It cuts off the power supply automatically when your battery's full to avoid prolonged charging, which actually shortens your battery life. With smart current sensing technology, SharbySense accurately detects when your smartphone is fully charged and also tells you your charging speed through its smart LED indicator. SharbySense features a charge booster mode, which allows you to charge your phone twice as fast. Also, it's built with high-grade copper wire for high-speed charging and data transfer. It's reinforced with Kevlar fibers throughout to make SharbySense up to 3 times more durable than other generic cables available today. Overnight charging actually damages your battery, keeping it at a high capacity level throughout the whole night. Experts say avoid extreme battery levels. High temperature can degrade your battery, so don't leave your phone plugged in for too long. But come on, it's a hassle and inconvenient to always leave your phone uncharged when you can, isn't it? Well, that's why we created SharbySense, to help you cut off the power supply completely when it's fully charged. So you can enjoy your sweet dreams all night without worrying about your phone battery. Haven't we all gone through these frustrating situations where our smartphone isn't plugged in properly? SharbySense has a smart indicator so that you know when it's charging, so you'll never leave your phone uncharged again. Charging too slow on your laptop port? When you finish syncing, simply press the button on SharbySense and it doubles your charging speed, so now you can charge your device in half the time. Never knowing if your smartphone is charging properly is frustrating. SharbySense detects slow wall chargers and power banks, so you can switch to the better one you deserve. And it features a reversible end, so you'll always plug it in the right way every time. Also, it's 20% longer, so it has the extra length to reach you when you need it to. Finally, a better way to protect the battery life of all your devices, like power banks, speakers, and headphones. Anything powered by a USB port. SharbySense is your ultimate cable solution. We're ready to bring SharbySense to everyone. We just need you to help make it happen. Back our crowdfunding campaign so you can be one of the first to get an exclusive discount before the campaign ends. Enjoy a good night's sleep. Your battery will be ready when you are.
At OneSoftDime, we've spent 4 years developing exactly what you need to gain insight into your fitness. More than 10 patents went into our technology, certified in 2 continents already.
We've created a pocket-sized portable device that is super easy to use. It has 98.8% accuracy and give you the same insight as a top-grade fitness equipment. Internal body fat, muscle mass, and body type. Even better, it can give you an advice on nutrition and exercise. And all this directly on your smartphone. Anytime, anywhere.
Hi, I'm Christian. This is my sister Julie.
We're from Copenhagen in Denmark, and we are on a mission to make the perfect bike for any given situation. Biking is a huge part of our culture, so we know what biking is all about and how it should feel to ride.
We also love technology and thought of a way of how to combine these two things and still keep cool functionality in mind. After many prototypes and thousands of hours, we're happy to finally say we created what we believe is the perfect bike. Let us introduce Mate.
Mate is no ordinary bike. It's an electric, foldable and affordable bike. Made for any journey, any rider, any situation. But enough with the talking, let's take it for a spin. Mate is our answer to bring people on a bike again. It makes distances shorter and hills more flat, so you can focus on what's important to you, like your friends. We designed Mate to be your everyday companion for better, easier, faster and funnier personal transportation. It can ride up to 50 miles on a single charge. It is built with the finest components, has a 6-speed computer and comes in a variety of cool colors. It will never let you down and allows you to charge any mobile device thanks to its built-in USB port. We built Mate with an integrated carrying handle, so you can lift it easily on your way up or down the stairs. And thanks to its all-terrain tires and shock-absorbing suspensions, hard-paved roads will feel gentle and smooth. Mate is just great when you want to beat the traffic and go places fast, without breaking a sweat. But if you want to exercise, choose the level of assist you want with the 6-speed settings on the computer. The choice is yours. Go further or go harder. Made comes with smart disc brakes for quick and effective stopping power. We also added front and back suspension, so you don't have to worry about obstacles along your way. It's built durable, so give it your best shot. It is always a fun and easy experience for all ages and riding styles, for adventure or leisure. You can use the pedal assist or you can go full electric. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery at 20 miles per hour. There might be times where you won't need your Mate, so it's great to be able to fold it for storage or transportation, knowing you can always take it out when you feel the urge. We're just at the beginning. Our dream is to kickstart the biking evolution, and you can be a part of it. Once we get Mate funded, we can start production, and together we can rethink what a bike should be able to do. This bike can do virtually anything. Hey mate, pick up Julie. Oh well, we're not quite there yet, but together we can make it happen.
I travel a lot. I think I was out of town 200 days last year. I take a lot of short trips. I never want to check bags. I never want to wait at the carousel. I try as much as possible, as I know a lot of people do, to travel just with carry-on. Carry-on just wasn't good enough. The bag was impossible. You couldn't walk with the bag over anything other than just a perfectly flat surface, and the world is not perfectly flat.
We all travel as commuters. We travel more often on shorter trips. Like many others, I realized that something was missing. A new type of traveler was evolving. This new traveler was not being taken care of by any part of the industry. This is where Giro comes in. The first thing I realized was that we would need a large diameter wheel to meet the needs of today's commuters and travelers. What are big wheels good for? For one, they put the center of gravity closer to the rotation axis, and that makes the bag feel dramatically lighter. These large axeless wheels strengthen the sides of the bag, and they're so slim that they won't take any additional space from the interior of the bag. And they run over everything. After endless hours of drawing and modeling, I finally got my dream wheel, a game-changing technology. The wheel was done, but the bag wasn't quite there yet. More winning features needed to be added to make Giro the best possible bag for commuters. We gathered a talented team of designers, and together we began to develop and design more and more features that have made Giro even more durable, ergonomic, and functional. We began work on a carry-on companion that would meet international airline standards. We designed different compartments, one to hold your personal items, and one to keep your work items like your 15-inch laptop, and an easy access pocket for carry-on liquids. We developed a very long, strong, ergonomic handle. Instead of weighing every bag down with features someone might not need, we developed an optional electronic module. It includes a proximity detector, location tracker, 2 USB ports, international power outlet for your laptop, and a battery strong enough to charge your smartphone up to 10 times. Step by step, we created our dream bag, a bag that's unbelievably maneuverable and tough without added weight. A bag with all-terrain wheels and features to help you comfortably get to where you're going, regardless of where that is.
This is the first really disruptive bag that has come to market in 25 years.
Turning ideas to reality is an expensive process. We've completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers, and we are ready to make the toolings and go to production. In order to bring Giro to commuters and travelers around the world, we need your support to produce Giro at an industrial scale.